Ever felt lost in a sentence jungle? Fear not, grammar students. Today, we unveil the secret weapon, clauses. Imagine a sentence as a superhero team. Clauses are the individual heroes with superpowers. Each clause needs two things. A hero, someone doing something like the verb, for example, jumps. Their mission, what they're doing, like the subject, for example, the cat. See? The cat jumps is one awesome clause, ready to save the day. But wait, we can add cool sidekicks called phrases. They help our hero with where. The cat jumps over the fence. Adverbial phrase. Why? The cat jumps to catch the bird. Infinitive phrase. Now we have two clauses working together. The cat jumps over the fence and to catch the bird. Teamwork makes the dream sentence work. Pro tip. Clauses can be independent superheroes, complete sentences, or sidekicks needing another clause to make sense. Try this. While the cat chases, who gets caught? Now you write the ending in the comments below. There you have it. Clauses are the building blocks of powerful sentences. Use them wisely, young wordsmiths, and conquer the grammar jungle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language adventures.